important component. It's not the end-all. It is a tool. And so when we couple technologies with standards and the available information, I think it's a very strong proposition for improving land administration. You know, a number of nations around the world have manual systems, very good systems, but they're susceptible to disasters. Automation can improve that. Automation can improve the time invested in registration and maintenance of those records. So I think technology plays a big role. Ultimately, I think it's policy and governance and the willingness to adopt technologies and information properly to improve that process for the landowner. Well, geospatial probably spans all 17 or so of those indicators. I think land administration in general probably covers more than a half a dozen of them. So I think it's critically important as an underpinning to address the sustainable development goals. Well, one of the topics that was discussed when we had a meeting last week in OGC with a number of the attendees of the conference here this week was the whole idea of fit for purpose, the ability to use imagery and other types of geospatial information to more rapidly capture and register land and be able to tie information to those land records as opposed to more traditional surveys. And some of those methods will take years and years and years, if not decades, to complete. The fit-for-purpose activity, I think, will actually drive interoperability and greater capture of information more quickly. An image base is something that people can see, and you can delineate most of the boundaries of administrative units by looking at imagery and using it as a base.